right click, create, name your sales organization, go and assign the function, attributes, sales, and go and maintain general attributes, your distribution channel, your division, and your country, your postal code, telephone, your sales district, so whatever that you would like to maintain, the general attributes you maintain in your attribute section of your sales area. So then later those sales will be displayed in the wherever the location, you know, right, master data, if required you can use that. Sales organization data will be displayed in product, that sales organization data will be displayed in your business partner, account management, in your transactions. So that's what the defining of sales area. Already created org model.
Yep, the org model is created. That is where I'm getting confused. That's where I'm getting confused. If we open the screen, CRM.
Yes. What do you want to see?
Just go to the thing. Products code. Compro 1. No. COMMPR01. It's very slow today, yeah?
This is the one you did?
No.
What is your product ID?
Honda fog lights. Just wait, HO. Are you in the same server?
Yes, same server. That is the reason I'm asking.
Yeah. The material is fog lights, huh? Description is Honda fog lights.
You can write here that you can write in chat, you can write what you are fine. It's processing. In London there is too much snow, I believe, isn't it?
No, it's cold.
London or county?
No, the counties have.
No, there is too much snow is falling, that's what I heard in this Wales.
No. No, it could be. It's freezing here.
No, I couldn't find that. I'm clicking all the types, even material types also no issues. ID, do you remember any ID over there?
There's no. What's the ID? The material number?
Product ID.
No, the product
Yes,
ID.
that is the product ID.
Yeah, I don't have a product ID. It is by the name. Probably it is internal. I think external. That's why. Can you? Yeah, you need to have a space between fog and lights. Yeah. Why did I not get an ID? Yeah. Oh, that's too slow. Yeah. It's too slow. Raj, do you want to share my screen? Raj, do you want to share my screen? I mean, this is ridiculously slow. Very slow. Well, this is ridiculously slow. Very slow.
So you can open yourself, right? I will make you presenter. You open yourself. I'll show you.
Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Not it.
It's gonna take some time, no? It's gonna take some time, no?
Just tell me, I can see half of your screen. Okay, tell me.
Half. Why half? I don't know. Anyways, okay. Here, I've created this material. First question is, why am I not getting a ID, material ID?
You written their materials fog lights. External ID you define. So how come it's only ID?
No, my question is, since I've written fog lights here, is that the reason, or is there an assignment where it takes external?
No, no, no. See,
Okay.
here you can observe. Yeah, wait a moment. Here when you find that, what is this product is displaying? Fog lights. Description is Honda fog lights. Product type is material. So you enter there. So this is the fog lights is the product ID or not? Or else I'll tell you one thing. You can search one more product, HT1000. Search once.
HT with space?
Just remove that Honda. Yeah, slash 1000. ID, description, like this, HT 1000. You can see this.
Okay.
Not that slash, hyphen. You can see in chat.
Yeah. Okay.
Imran.
Yeah. It's displaying. Okay. You see the screen. Can you see my screen, Raj? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. Tell me.
Yeah, it's HT1000. Yeah, what do you want to say? Yeah, it's HT1000. What do you want to say?
Yeah, you search. Is it found the result?
Yeah.
Did you got the result?
Yeah, in the screen. On the screen.
So now you observed here.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, in the screen. On the screen.
So HT1000 is the ID. Notebook is the description. So what I understood now? You maintain there your own name for the product ID. So that is the system taken.
Okay. Now.
So if you don't want that external ID, if you might have.
Okay. My question would be, if supposing I don't give this HT1000 and save it, it will generate an internal number? Okay. My question would be, if supposing I don't give this HT1000 and save it,
System. Yes.
So where is that coming from?
Yes.
That is what I want to know. I mean, is there some kind of an assignment there which says, okay, this product type, number range, if not provided, will take internally. Yes, Raj.
Can you hear me, guys? See, both of you, Raman and Imran, can you hear me? Okay. See, the first customization related to products is, suppose if a client don't want to see all the products in the interface level, like application. So you can deactivate in the screen those products which you don't want to display in the front end. The server is very slow in my laptop. In your laptop is working very fine. I'm not getting a single application. Raman, how it's working in your end? It's working fine, right? Imran, for your location also it's working good, right?
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, it's all right.
See here, you can see material, service, financing, warranty. How many product types? You can see 4 product types in the
Yeah.
application. Actually, how many? 6 product types. So 2 deactivated. So where is the location to deactivate this piece? Sorry, APR1. My goodness, it's really horrible, man.
Raj, do you want to take control of my desktop and then work?
Then we can log in on TeamViewer. That is very good. Okay.
No, but in this you can't.
TeamViewer.
In this you can't.
In this I can make you presenter.
Yeah.
I can take, no issues. I can take.
I'm giving you keyboard and mouse. Yeah.
See, now you can make me as.
I'm giving you keyboard
yes.
and mouse. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. You have the control, Raj? No?
No.
You cannot see my screen, you cannot use the mouse?
You cannot see my screen, you cannot use the mouse.
Yeah.
I can see your screen but not.
Yeah, now you have control.
Yeah, now you have control.
Okay. Can you see anything? I typed.
No, where did you type? I can't see
Can
it.
you see? Oh, cursor is blinking here. Oh, it's not this. Still cursor is blinking in distribution channel.
Raj, if you just tell me, maybe I will just, navigate.
SPRO, CRM.
So, both of you can see my screen, right?
For me, little slow.
Is this where you want me to be?
Go to cross application.
CRM cross.
SPRO, IMG, cross No. Directly cross applications.
Okay.
But I couldn't see your screen, what you are clicking. It's still processing. It's all right. So go there. So did you open cross applications?
Yeah.
Okay. In that cross applications, you drill down to SAP product.
Yeah.
No, you went to a master data. I am talking about SPRO IMG cross
Yeah.
applications.
Yeah,
Where
that is
you are
where I am.
now?
Yeah, that is where I am. You see this? Okay, let me do it again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cross application components, SAP product, and then basic settings,
Yes.
then allow inactive products.
Yes. Click that.
It's already ticked. Change your display. You want me to click on this?
Yeah. So, yeah, you saw that two ticks are there, right? Which one is there?
Allow inactive products. That's
IT
the only.
intellect.
That's the only one.
No, I'm talking about deactivate product settings. Can you see that? No. No, not this one.
Tell me where you want me to go. So, is it SAP product basic settings or?
Please. So it is SAP product. In that you can go to basic settings, or there you will find as a settings for products. Can you see?
Hmm? Settings for product maintenance. Define views.
So there you can see anything. Deactivate product settings, product categories.
No, nothing. We've got these warranty, sales, and all that. But
Hmm.
can you can see my screen? No, am I in the right screen or?
No, this is not settings for basics, basic product maintenance. You need to go to basic settings.
Yeah, basic settings. Yeah, then
Even this is not opening here.
I'll tell you. Define characteristics of system messages.
Don't
Allow
want to do-
inactive products.
See, I can type here.
Yeah.
Do it. SPRO, IMT, cross applications, SAP product. You need to go there. Settings for product types.
Yeah, that is where we're going wrong. Settings for
Here you
product
find
type.
as
This is where you have,
deactivate.
yes, deactivate product types.
Yes, click that.
And here you can see IP and financial services are ticked. So that's the
Yes.
reason why. If
So
I
which
tick
you-
another one, then even material will not be there. If I tick this, then material will not be shown on the screen, initial screen. Yeah.
Yes. So one more thing.
Hmm.
These things are, if you are used any category. Used means if you define any product in finance category or intellectual property which is not used, you can select any other material and save. What error message you will get?
Uh, what are you going to get?
Tick anything, material and save.
Okay.
Material or service or financing, anything you click and save.
Yeah. I did that. Product type 01 already been used. Deactivation therefore not possible. That's the message you get.
Yes, absolutely. What is the concept? Concept is, if you used, that means the category you used. So if you used, then system will not allow you to deactivate that product. So if you are not used, then the system will allow you to deactivate.
So does that mean nobody has used IP and warranty? I mean IP and financial services
Yes.
in the IDES.
Financial.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Then second customization is like making error message characteristics. That means we saw in the business partner, what we saw? We saw that field grouping. That means making fields mandatory, isn't it?
Yep. Yep.
So if you go to this same SAP product, basic settings, there you will find define characteristics of system messages.
Yes.
Yes.
It says it is
So
locked by
what
you.
is that means?
This is locked by you.
What is?
Data is locked by user Lata 88.
88.
Anyways, so display only
you
we
can
want.
see-
This
Yeah.
this display only we want. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so here what messages need to be displayed in the front end. So suppose if you have not entered base unit of measure, if you have not entered description of your product, if you have not entered so and so sales and distribution, if you have not entered, so system need to throw a error message, isn't it?
Incompletion log.
Suppose
Yeah.
like make
Incompletion log.
yeah, okay, yeah. If you are not in incomplete of your making data, then system will throw an error. Like just now you got an error like if you click that checkbox, system showed you like you are not able to deactivate because it's already used. What, Raman? Are you following? Raman, what is the topic is you are making fields mandatory. Here likewise you are predefined messages, like if anything is not entered while creating product, so if you assign what message need to be thrown if that field is not entered, so then you can maintain here, like suppose if you would like to maintain anything, you can maintain through username or general also. Like username means suppose Lata is entering. For Lata only that field is mandatory. For that, suppose if for Harpreet is logging, for that Harpreet is only the person while entering, he will only get that error messages. If I am logging in the server, I will not get. So that is the way that particular username is keep on not maintaining that particular data. Then backend you can maintain that username is also required to maintain the data. Username login and while creating product, that error message will pop up if you are not maintaining. So that is the reason. This is like predefined error messages, like if you would like to maintain message characteristics. So you can select one thing and you can see the side like EE means error.
Error.
If you would like to maintain W means
Error.
warning. W means warning. S means standard toolbar. Likewise you can see. So if you want, you can do new one, anything. Okay. Take new entries and do that, Mister.
Okay.
Take new entry.
Okay.
Like select what data needs to be maintained in the front end by end user.
Yeah.
You need to maintain that base unit of measure, or he need to maintain name and description, or he need to maintain any other data. So what data you need to maintain? Just maintain and put error messages.
Okay. So
Okay.
where do you? Oh, okay. You have to select from here.
You have to select from here.
Yeah.
Then you can select whether it is an error or warning. Yeah.
Then you can select whether it is an error or warning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
so if you do this, so if I use ARPIT 12
So
and if the product ID
12
is too long, it will give you this error. Yeah.
is too long, it will give you this error. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what my intention.
Shall I delete it?
Should I delete it?
Yeah, it's up to yourself. That's what I need to. If I might have showed you my screen, I'll do that, and that is the another customization. And now you come to that. This another third thing is like number ranges. Okay, third customization step is number ranges. So settings for product type and number assignment.
Sure.
Same earlier you opened, right? Settings for product type.
Yeah.
Click that. In that number assignment you can find. You can drill down.
Yeah. Specify number assignment settings.
There you can see what you can see there.
Specify number assignment settings.
Define number ranges for product type.
No, define
material.
number ranges for product type.
Define
material.
number ranges for product type material.
Yes. So you need to click that.
Mhm.
Did you click?
Yeah.
Yep.
So there, earlier case while defining business partner, what we defined? We defined number ranges and we defined group name. Third step, we assign that group to your number range.
Number range.
Isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
3 steps.
Right.
Now the concept is little different. Like you need to define a group name.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you need to define a group name.
Where do you define that? First you have defined the group name then.
Where do you first you have defined the group name then?
Yes, you need to define a group name. For that group name, you need to maintain external, internal. You can maintain both number ranges for one group. Earlier case, in one group ID, we can maintain only one number range, isn't it? H1 we are maintain one number range. H2 we maintain one number range. H1 is our group name. For that group name we maintain H1 number range. H2 group name we maintain another H2 number range.
Raj, is your system working okay now?
Did you remember Raman?
Is your system working okay now?
I don't know. Why?
No, I mean, yeah,
I mean,
because if you take control, then it will be much better. Yeah.
because if you take control, then it will be much better. Yeah.
Okay. Can you see now?
Not yet.
Guys, my screen, can you see Raman? Because you are not yet made a presenter. Now only you made a present. Okay. So now I hope. So did you remember Raman, we defined BP number ranges? Any idea or forgot? BP number ranges. BP grouping. Gone. Okay. So in BP what we did is we defined a number range, one internal and one external, and one internal number is assigned to one group. Here the concept is that if you see my screen, define number ranges of special type material. If you click this material, you will get as an this is the way this thing. So here you need to go to group, maintain, go in the menu bar top, you can see maintain. In the group you can maintain a group name. So what happened? This is the problem. Super. Is finished product, semi-finished product, hazardous, like these categories. So those are that changes by some other students. So let me do. Somebody can standalone settings, CR standalone settings. That is the reason we are not able to see the ERP data. what are the difference? See products, right? Master data, products. Can you see my screen properly? Both of you?
Yeah.
Here somebody assigned their own hierarchy. So you need to assign R3. R3 means ECC product types.
The one that is below, I think. R3 prototype something.
Yeah, that's what. See, now we displayed all the categories. So suppose now we need to define a group. Go to again group, insert, click insert. So here you can write a group name, Honda material, because you are creating material group type member ranges. So here you can see two member ranges. For one group you can assign two member ranges, so which you need to maintain without overlapping the number with existing intervals.
Raj,
Something is glitchy. Yes.
yeah. Now you're assigning for Honda material internal and external.
Yes.
And when you try to create a material now, a product, yeah,
Yes.
and if you give like how I have given Honda fog light, yeah, will it still take?
No, system will not take. System will take only external number.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. That was
Okay.
So I am taking 1,21,000. Let's take 21,000. Here 1,21,000. No, 2,10,000 I will. 2,10,000. 1 to 2,20,000. Let's see whether it's accepts or not. Enter interval without overlap. Let's be like this. 1. Done. So now we entered 1 lakh or 12 lakh, 12 lakh 1001 to 12 lakh 10,000. 12 lakh 10,000 to then again we define 10,001 to 12 lakh 20,000, not 21,000. So we define two number ranges to one group. What is your group name? Honda. Select that group name. So as we discussed in the first session, when you would like to create a product, what you require? You require categories. So what categories you need to define a product? Whether it is a finished type of product category, or whether you would like to define semi-finished or raw material type or drinks. So what type of category you would like to define? So those categories only need to get your interval related numbers. Other categories numbers will not display which you define this interval. If you define 1 to 100, so if you assign some categories to that group, then when you are selecting that category and entering to create product, then that 1 to 100 related numbers will be displayed. So the other categories, that 1 to 100 will not be displayed. So this is the way. First step is you need to define a group name and insert numbers. Then later third, you need to assign categories to that group. Suppose what is that category? Suppose MAT underscore FUT is nothing but finished goods. then MAT underscore HAWA, HAWA. Required in your group. So select this, click this element group. So those categories so you need to check your display groups. Okay, Honda is not there. GH Honda is not there. Okay, nothing harm. Just maintain. Get group, insert, Honda material, then here 1 lakh
12,000. That first number range is wrong.
Come on, this is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 0 is extra. Save. So select your thing, double click your whatever the things you want, color will changes.
Yeah, you just double click on these, is it?
Yeah, you just double click on these, is it?
Yes,
And on what basis do you select these categories?
And on what basis do you select these categories?
Yeah, if you define your categories, like to define a product, we need to maintain a category, right? What is the type of category? You maintain fog lights. Foglet is a raw material or a finished product or a semi-finished product.
Yeah, it's a
So
finished
you need
one.
to maintain, right?
Okay.
Which category? So for that category only the number range will be displayed.
Okay.
So is a trading good? MAT underscore HA or WA. So these are all module will use this course mate, all the categories. So we will also use these categories. No, you want your own category. Earlier case it's displayed only one category, Y something they defined. Then you can do your settings like your own category need to be displayed, then you can assign backend to that CRM your product.
So now supposing you just select
Now supposing you just select
finished and food and all
finished
that,
and,
but then when you're creating a product, you see that it's a raw material and you have not selected the category. Then what happens?
So I need to maintain that select element group. So you got 3 categories and save. Now you can test when you are defining any product. So what number will come?
From 12,000 will come if it is internal, and 1 to 12,000 something change will come
internal and
external.
12,000 something change.
So that is the way you can test and practice. That is the way you can define number ranges in products. Okay. We saw 3 customizations. One is deactivating, second is error message characteristics, and third is number ranges. Tomorrow we will see save inactive. And most important customization is product set types. So that is very important. Like how you can enhance your products without ABAP help. So
Okay.
without ABAP help, how you can enhance. Okay?
All right.
So take care, 9:20 for me. So I need to
Okay.
have my dinner. Take care.
Okay.
Thanks.
So,
Thanks, Raj.
so this is very slow to